Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where we will be learning Unix command and utilization of the same in the shell script. So today we will see grep. Now for what purpose we use grep? To search a file for a pattern and display the matching and non-matching lines. Yeah, this spelling is wrong. So this is the format how we are going to use grep command. Grep then option. So we will see the man page for from where we will get all the options. Then the pattern, whatever pattern we are going to search, and then the file name. Now of course there is a different way also to use grep command, that also we will see. So let's move on to our terminal and see how we are going to make use of grep command. So let's check where we are and let's do ls-l. So we will for this session I have created few files. Now let's see if I will just search for this test1 file. So let's see if I want to search this pattern for what output I get and for how many times in how many files we get this output. So this is grep command option. This is the for before going to that we will first check grep man grep page. So this is that man page. So this is like file pattern searcher, and these are all these commands. So grep, e grep, f grep, r grep. As of now we will stick to grep. If time permits, definitely we will cover these things also, but at the end, so that the basic things we will cover, and whenever we feel that okay we should cover this thing also, so that time also I will keep creating the videos. So these are the options, all the options, like in case of zip unzip we saw most of the characters of abcd are there. So I can see here a b c d e f g h I j l m n, all maximum options are there. Now of course we are not going to cover all of them, but we will see if we can cover 5-6 options, and you can see examples are also given like this way, so you can go through those examples also. For every command in the man page you will always find examples. Okay, so we will move out of this and we will use the grep command. So I just want to, okay, I just missed that part. Again we will see what is the content of the file. So this is just to show you the successful grep command first. Now let's say I want to search a file. When I was just going through my directories, I just browsed through one of the file and I forgotten, but I remember the word that okay this is the word, but I forgotten the file name. So I wanted to see in which file or in how many files this word is appearing. So I will do like this way, grep -I, irrespective of any case capital or small, and I will search this word for, and I will say star.txt. So I can see these are the files, test1, test2, test3. So I can see okay in test1 the for word is appearing one time. In test2 file for word must be appearing two times, that's why two times we have received this. And in test3 file the for word is appearing three times. So this is how, or let's say we will do one thing, we will just say star. Let's say what happens, but I feel that we have that archive file also, so we should not be doing this way. So let me come out of this and oh okay, I was here only. So as of now, because otherwise I have to delete all these things, but I don't want to. So we will stick to this command as of now, star.txt. Now let's see if I want to, if this is the message appearing, then let's do one thing. Let's go into and update the, if we see cat command test1.txt, if you see this f is small, and of course we are searching for small for only, that's why we got this output. But we want to see whether this -I, irrespective of any case, do we get the same output or not. So we will make it as capital F. So let me update the file. So don't worry about this part. I will be taking a session on VI also. That time I will explain this VI, how to use this VI. So let's make it capital F, save this file, and then re-execute the command. So yes, even if for, and I will do again cat test1.txt. So even if this for F is capital and I am searching this for, because of this hyphen I option, irrespective of any case, whether it is capital or small, we will get this output, we will get this file name. Now let's check the next one, like for, and then let's check for any other option if we can. So we will see for how many files we will get this one. Jump. So see, here is the difference. Grep hyphen L means it will provide us the list of files in which for word is appearing. Now you may ask why test1.txt didn't appear here. Of course, because inside test.1txt the for word we change the F to capital F. If we want that file also, then we have to use hyphen I option. Then this word then this test1.txt is appearing. Because of hyphen I, test1.txt is appearing. So now if we have received test2 and test3 file, let's check the content of test2.txt. Okay, I was using the wrong one, test2.txt. Because of this for, this is appearing over here. And let's check the content of this file. I just created one file test1.txt and I kept copy pasting the same in test2.txt, test3.txt. So yes, although this F is capital, but this F and this F is small, so that's why we are receiving this test3.txt. We are checking in list the file in which for word is there, and here we are checking list the files irrespective of this case, because of this hyphen I in which for word is appearing. So we are getting all these options. Let's clear the screen. So a hyphen I option is done, hyphen L is done. Now there is one more option which is hyphen N. So let's check what does this option does. So it is checking in this file test2.txt on line number 2 and line number 4 for is appearing. In test3.txt file on line number 4 and 6 for word is appearing. So if I go to line number file 3 test3.txt, and if I check whether this output is correct, the for word is appearing on line number 4, 1 2 3 4 correct, and line number 6 which is correct. Now just to show you how this hyphen N has been utilized by us, I'm just keeping a small file, but you may also see that okay, because here also for is there but F is capital, so that's why this line is not appearing, because we are not using hyphen N. So this is how we have used hyphen I option, hyphen L option, hyphen N option. Let's see few more options, like grep hyphen. Let's count the number of lines inside a file on all those lines on which for word is appearing. So if you see, when I'm checking for word star.txt, then it says in test1.txt 0 times, in test2.txt 2 times, and test3.txt 2 times. Let's use the same one with hyphen I option. So of course this output is bound to change. Yes, because F was capital, so 1 time it is appearing in the first file, 2 times in the second file, which is correct, but 3 times in test3.txt because of hyphen I. So you have to always keep in mind, if in the grep command you are using hyphen I, whatever output you are getting, there could be this, because of this pattern, it could be case not sensitive. F could be capital, or O could be capital, or R could be capital. You have to always keep in mind. Now because of this grep, there is one interesting thing. In Unix, if you see ls-l, we don't have any command to list the directory directly. So there is a trick in grep. Grep comes with a functionality of this caret and dollar. This dollar caret represents start of the line and dollar represents end. So we will see how we are going to make use of the same and get the directories. ls-l, then you as we have covered in the last session, pipe symbol. So we are doing grep, then within single quote I am writing caret, means start of the line. If start of the line is D, print those lines. So this is how we will get directories. How about start of the line is hyphen, so we will get only files. So you have to always keep in mind, this is one of the best interview question, how you will list the directories. This is one of the way to list the directory. There is no direct command to list the directory. We have to go through this way only. Now there will be a lot of shell scripting where you would be using this thing when you want to check whether any files or any directory subdirectories are available. You can make use of this. So we will see a shell script where we will make use of such thing. So now this is all about caret and yes, dollar one is remaining. So we will see, we want to see if any file is ending with, like this is the one, zip, pdf, doc, list, t. So we just want to see any file which ends with t extension, or whatever is the ls-l, anything which ends with t, print it. Dollar, I think this is dollar, it should be this side. Yeah, so this is how we have to use caret symbol and dollar symbol. So I'll be updating this on the GitHub command repository also, so that it will be good for your record purpose. Now whatever has been explained over here, especially in case of this caret and dollar, we will make sure in future script we will make use of this, so that it will be easy for your understanding purpose. Now this was one of the requirement where I have come across. So how we are going to make use of grep? Grep most of the time production support guys will be using to check a lot of things, to check the file if they know some content, or they are absolutely unaware that which file has what sort of content, this content is available in which file. So that time all these options will be utilized. Now I have created one script for your understanding purpose, how grep command can be utilized. So there was a requirement that they wanted to move one file from one location to another location. Of course, the requirement could be anything. So for your understanding purpose, how grep command can be utilized. So the question is, nobody is aware that how much time it will take to create the file. So what can be done, or how this can be achieved, that nobody is aware whether the file creation takes 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So from our side we requested that, okay, after completion of the file, can you put a message, a special message inside the file, and we will keep checking that message. If that message appears, it means that file creation has completed. So this is the script which we have created from our side, that okay, this, if grep-i message word appears inside the file, it means that the file is created completely, the file creation is completed. So let's do one thing. Of course I will be explaining you the script. Let me just go to this section and check. Okay, so let me remove this part. Okay, so as of now we don't have that file, then we have to create it and do the script execution as well. So let's try to execute this script. As of now file is not available, so of course file is not available, exiting. So script did nothing. So let's try to understand the script. This part is as is. We are checking the date, we are checking the user, we are checking the server name. Then path1, path2 variable have been kept as it is. If you have seen my previous videos, you will understand that okay, the previous simple script we have picked up and we have modified it. So we are checking this test.txt file. What exactly we are checking? We are saying first we are saying checking whether the file is available or not. So when I was explaining if else, that time also I have mentioned that as in we keep moving ahead, there are a lot of if options and all those things. So that time we will see. So other than whatever if else has been the conditional loop has been explained, and that sort of scripting has been completed. Now slowly when we will keep moving ahead, we will keep making complicated script. That time we will keep using all those options. So this is one of the option, -e. Like this way there are 7 8 other options also. We need -e option. This will check whether this file exists or not. If this file exists, this will go into this loop. Now as soon as if I click on here, this loop gets highlighted. If this file itself is not available, then we will come here and this part will get executed. File is not available, exiting. So it's straightforward. If file is available, get into the loop, check all those things. If file is not available, do this part. So this is what we have seen. Now coming, let's assume that okay, file is available. So what will happen? It will print a message, file is available, checking if file completion message appears. If file is available, then we have to check whether whatever message we have been asked to put inside the file, whether that message is appears or not. So for that purpose, the way we have executed the grep command, we are executed the grep, we previously on command line, the way we have executed the grep command, same way we are checking whether that message is appearing or not. Now previously we have explained what is the meaning of this $? So it is checking whether the previously executed command is successful or not. If it is successful, it will be 0. If it is unsuccessful, it will come to this part and it will say although the file is available, message doesn't appear, exiting. When this message doesn't appear, it means that the file creation has not completed. So here we are doing two things. First we are checking file is available. If not available, it will exit. If file is available, then it will go inside, it will check whether the message whatever has been asked is present in that file at the end. Here we are checking whether the message is available or not. If this message is available, of course this could be anything else. Means we have to take care that okay, whatever file you are creating, it should not happen that this word is already available at the first line itself. Otherwise, even though means our requirement won't get fulfilled, our shell scripting won't get fulfilled. So this is how we have to always make sure we have to provide this we have to explain this thing to the requester. You give us a word or we will give you a word, but make sure that word is not available in your file anywhere. It should be specific to our requirement only to fulfill this thing. And then we are saying if this message appears, then move the file. So this is how we are moving the file to another path. When we are moving the file to the other path, whatever p2 we have defined over here, we are checking whether this file is available or not. If this is available, we are saying okay, success is equal to 0. Whatever success has been defined 1 previously, then because of this the script will come out of the loop and it will say exit 0 and script will move out of the loop. So let me just run the script. Let me just run the script. So I will clear the screen. Of course, I think file we haven't created. File is not available. So let's go to this path first. And as file is not available, so let's do one thing. This file is already available. So we will just rename the file as file is already available. test.txt. Now try to execute this script. Oh, let's first check whether that word is available. Otherwise, this will move out of the loop. So test.txt. Okay, it has been moved to text. So nowhere that message word is there. So of course, even if file is available and message word is not there, this is bound to fail. But let's check how and what sort of message we get. So we are checking test underscore grep.sh. Yes, so we have moved to this path where our file is available. So it says test.txt file is available, checking if file completion message appears. Although the file is available, message doesn't appear exiting. So although file is available, still message is not available. So this is what our requirement fulfills here, the negative scenario. Now let's update the file and put this message. So let's move on to the previous file, and the word is message. Now let's say anyway we are using -i, so while putting this message word we will put in all small case letter just to see even if we are using -i in script execution how this behaves. So again I will do test.txt. So don't worry about this vi editor, this I will be checking, I will be explaining in detail. So I will just do like this way, and I will say in small letter message appears. Script can get successful. This is just random message, just for testing purpose, just for your understanding purpose. And let's move to the script path and re-execute the script. So it says message appears, script can get successful. So this is what echo command is working. Message appears, moving the file. Yes, so this was the message, this was the output of this command grep -i message and this extension. So message word is appearing over here, and then because of this ls-l we are getting confirmation that okay, whatever file was there on previous path, this path, now the file is available on output path. So this path of course means why we are moving the file from one path to another path. This is not the case. This could be a network shared drive or something else where file is required. This could be for anything else, like the in previous session the way I have explained compress and archival. So this part also you can do here and achieve the requirement. I hope this grep command is I could explain the grep command. At the same time, the way I have explained caret and dollar symbol, this definitely we will be using in next script and next sessions. This will be very useful. Always keep in mind this is how we have to search the directory and file. ls-l option, yes, this is the most important thing. Every now and then we are using that, but always keep in mind in Unix there is no such command which will give you the list of directories. The way I have explained, that is the only way we can get list of directories. If you have liked this session, please hit like button. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next session.